Hi everybody. So our initiative to help to engineering graduates to understand the digital circuit fundamentals, and they should use these fundamentals in the VLSI industry. So this initiative includes answer this question. So we'll post few questions over the period of time, and then the undergraduate engineers need to apply the fundamentals to solve these questions in just 2 minutes. So today's question on digital design, and you have only 2 minutes of time. I will sketch here small logic diagram. Zeroth input, first input, select line. This is A, this is A bar, this is B, this is Y1. Output of this multiplexer is used as a select line by another multiplexer. Zeroth input, first input, output Y. This is connected to ground. This is connected to C. Now the question is, find out the expression for Y. And you have just 2 minutes of time. So now, without using Boolean simplification, let us try to solve this example. So two 2s to 1 multiplexers, they are connected in this fashion. Output of this is connected as a select line to this. This is Y1. Zeroth input is connected to ground. First input is connected to C. This is Y. This is zeroth input. This is first input. This is A. This is A bar. This is B. So now here, without Boolean simplification, how we can do this? We can do this in very less time, less amount of time. That don't compute anything for this. Don't write a Boolean expression. Then you will say that how we can write the expression for this? Very simple. One of the input is connected, zeroth input is connected to A, first input is connected to A bar is complement of A, select line is connected to B. So this logic, Y1 is equal to A XOR with B. Now this is used as a select line. So Y is equal to, which is equal to select line. So Y is equal to C into S, which is equal to C into A XOR with B. So I am not simplifying anything. A bar B plus C into AB bar. Most of the time what happens is that you try to find out the expression for Y1, then again try to find out the Boolean values for Y1, and then try to create a truth table for the output multiplexer to get the expression for Y. So instead of that, this is the better technique where you can directly get the answer. So for more information about workshops, summer training in the area of digital circuits and FPGA, you can visit www.1 2pst.com. Thank you very much.